I'm Ellen. I chose Unity College because it offered a degree path that would help me be a zookeeper and assist organizations in becoming more sustainable and ecologically aware of their impact. From my education at Unity, I gained the understanding of how to be more ecologically aware myself. I learned how to apply the coursework at Unity into projects and relationships in the real world. I was able to complete a project for the Smithsonian Conservation Biology Institute. This flowed seamlessly with my coursework. The experience allowed me to understand what it takes to succeed professionally as a zookeeper and be an ally to the researchers and scientists conserving the different animals of this planet.